Drawings serve as the focus of your project and a point of reference for all other assets in ProjectSight. After creating your project, uploading your project drawings is the next step. The Upload Drawings interface will open, where you can drag and drop or browse for drawing files to upload. The selected drawings will be processed by ProjectSight's AI engine, which will analyze each drawing for metadata, such as drawing name, discipline, version, etc. No more manually parsing information for each drawing. This may take some time, depending on the number of drawings and their complexity. After adding team members, if necessary, to collaborate with, you can select drawings from the ProjectSight dashboard. The drawings will appear as tiles on the main screen, with green check marks indicating that they have been successfully processed. If there was a problem, there would be a red X, and you could click on the drawing to add or correct necessary information. Here, you have a number of options for grouping and sorting your drawings, the default being their drawing number. You can also search and filter your drawings using the right panel. Enter a word in the search field, or use the drop-down fields to organize drawings by location, revision dates, specifications, etc. Click on any drawing to open it in the main panel. In the left column, you will see and can easily switch to other available drawings. You can close this panel to create screen space by clicking on the X. Use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and click and drag the drawing to view any area or detail. Click on the expansion button in the lower right to go full screen, and use the escape button to return to the drawings page layout. In the right panel, you will see drawing metadata distilled by the AI engine. First, you'll notice the green current flag, obviously an important thing to know. If this was not the most current drawing, the flag would indicate this in red, along with the revision number. The fields with red asterisks are mandatory, and if any of these fields are missing, the drawing will display a red X on the main page, and you can correct that here. You can also designate a discipline or location for the drawing. In the upper right of the header panel, you have a number of options. You can compare two drawings, download drawings, search within the drawing, view and add comments to the drawings, view drawing information, which is the default, or hide layers, such as annotations, get a share URL, view a summary of linked files, records, designs, or websites, or add a link using the plus button. Next, there is the Annotation toolbar. We suggest that you first adjust the defaults for your annotations, such as the default color, the default opacity, line width, and text size. Note that these features can be modified on individual annotations. The first option in the Annotations toolbar is the Annotation Pencil tool, which provides the following options. Free line draw, area fill, straight line, line with arrow, and multi-line draw. The second option is the Annotation Cloud tool, which provides the following options. The Rectangle Cloud. Click and drag the cloud from one corner to the other, then double-click to release. And the Polygon Cloud. Click on each point that you want the cloud to cover, double-clicking to release on the final point. The next option is the Annotation Shape tool, which provides the following options. The Rectangle Shape. Click and drag the rectangle from one corner to the other, then double-click to release. Oval Shape. Click and drag the oval from one side to the other, then double-click to release. And Polygon Shape. Click on each point you want the shape to cover, double-clicking to release on the final point. To add a text annotation, click on the text icon in the toolbar, Then drag the text box in the area where you want the text to appear. Select the text within the box and type the words you want to appear. You will be able to select the style and color of the text. If the text is too small or large, adjust the font size from the toolbar below. The Links option is a very powerful tool in the Annotations toolkit. With this utility, you can place and link the following items to the drawing. RFI, Request for Information. Issue, something that may affect the budget or timeline. Punch item, final fixes or corrections. Drawing, link to another drawing on the project. To add a link to the drawing, first select the type of link from the link menu. In this case, we will link an issue. Then click and drag the shape to the location where you want it placed on the drawing. The link window will open, where you can search for an issue using the search field. Select an existing issue if there are any from the scrolling list, or create an issue. The side panel will open for you to add details, including assigning or copying the issue to others, and then save it. Once an annotation has been placed on the drawing, you can click on the annotation, and a summary pop-up will appear. Here, you will see a brief summary of the item, and you can unlink the item from the annotation. Adjust whether it is public or private. Your ability to set this may depend on your role and permissions. Adjust the style, choosing the color and opacity of the annotation. Or delete the annotation entirely from the drawing. Using the icons in the upper right of the pop-up or in the right panel, you can expand the item to full screen for editing. Click Done to close the full screen and return to the drawing. The Drawing Annotation Measurement tool can be used to mark distance, perimeter, and area on the drawing. But first, you must calibrate the measurement tool to set the default scale. To begin, click on the Calibration option in the Measurement Tools menu. Then zoom in on your drawing to a known measurement. Click and draw a line between the 2 points of the known measurement. A window will open where you can enter the correct value and select the unit of measurement. Click Set and the calibration is complete. After calibrating your measurement tool, you can click on the distance icon to make a measurement annotation. Simply click and drag from point to point, and an arrow will appear that accurately measures the distance. A pop-up window will show the details of the measurement. You can use the summary pop-up to link the measurement to another project item, make the annotation public, adjust the style, or delete the measurement annotation entirely. And that completes your introduction and overview of the ProjectSight Drawings utility. It is, as you have just seen, a powerful tool for project management and collaboration for your entire team.